Hey, good morning, guys. It's Ryan with janitorleads.com. Hope all is well. Remember, our goal at janitorleads.com is to help small businesses grow. And the number one way you can grow is to purchase every single lead that you can from the janitorleads.com website. These leads are only sold one time, they're not resold, they're guaranteed to be real, and they're only $7.95. If you remember from previous videos, you should literally purchase every single lead in your area. You just need to close one of those leads and you're going to be starting to make money. And now I'm talking to you a little bit about what you can do to increase your likelihood of closing those leads that you purchased. Last week we spoke about how important that first call was, to make it quickly, to connect with them as soon as you can, and to send a follow-up meeting invite so that you have it on your calendar and their calendar. Today we're going to talk about the day before the meeting. And what I always do the day before the meeting is send the customer a simple email. And my emails are pretty much always the same. Hey, Mr. or Mrs. Customer, super excited to meet with you tomorrow. Just a recap on our agenda. First we're going to, we'd like to sit down for a few minutes, maybe 5 or 10 minutes, just to talk about, what kind of concerns you have and what you're looking for in a janitorial company. Then we can walk through the facility. And after we've walked through the facility, we can just spend another 5 or 10 minutes just to kind of recap things. Also, as part of my email, which is this is a little bit of a secret, I always say, hey, by the way, I'm going to be stopping by Starbucks on the way to your office. I would love to bring you a coffee. Can you let me know what you drink? So the customer may or may not respond. They may say, no, I'm totally cool, I don't need anything to drink. Or they may be like, oh, great, I would love a coffee. Either way, that offer goes a long way. So again, the day prior to meeting, I want you guys to be sending an email to your customer, just recapping the agenda and offering to bring something, whether it be a Starbucks or a pastry store or a local coffee shop. I think that will help create a nice, easy entrance when you do go into the meeting the next day. Remember to visit janitorleads.com and click the like button if you like this video, subscribe to our videos, and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks so much.